Today's recipe is Chana Masala. For Chana Masala we need chickpeas, also known as chana or chole. Now I've used a canned tin of chickpeas. You can use fresh chickpeas, soak them overnight and then boil them and follow the same recipe. But this is a better, shorter way of making Chana Masala. So I've used this can which is 540 ml or 19 fluid ounces of chickpeas. So we need 1 can of chickpeas, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per your taste, 1 big onion just chopped nicely small, 1 tomato chopped small. So first we'll heat the oil in this pan, add a little salt, and we'll start frying, and we need half a bunch of coriander or cilantro leaves. So now we'll start frying our onions. And fry them till they become a little cooked, well cooked and a little transparent in color. You can serve this chickpeas, also known as Chana Masala or chole, with puris, with naans, with dinner rolls. It's a very nice dish to have with any of these breads. Saute it well. The onions look done. At this stage I'll add in all my spices. So I'll start with garlic paste. I'll add in the coriander powder, the red chili powder, the turmeric powder, the cumin powder, the garam masala powder, cumin seeds, salt, and just saute everything well. Just saute this for at least 2 minutes. Now I'll add in the tomatoes, and we'll let this cook in the tomato till the tomatoes soften and you can see some oil floating. That's when we'll add chana, also known as chickpeas. So just saute this till the tomatoes soften. The tomatoes have softened. The oil has begun to float. Now I'll add in the chanas or the chickpeas. Give it a good stir. Add in a few of the cilantro leaves. The rest we'll keep it for garnishing. I'll add a little more. Now we should let this chana masala cook on low flame for at least 15 minutes so that all the spices get well blended with the chanas. So we let this cook for 15 minutes covered on low flame. This chana masala has been cooking since 15 minutes and it's completely ready to serve. Just remove a bit of it. Chana masala ready to serve. You can serve this with rotis, naans, bhaturas, puris, dinner rolls,